It's 2 a.m. on an offshore rig. Drilling is in full swing when suddenly, boom, the power cuts out. The generators are running, but the rig is in darkness. Millions of dollars in downtime. The crew is in crisis mode. What happened? And more importantly, how do we fix it? Drilling rig power failure, causes and fixes. Welcome to RIGPRO Academy. In today's episode, we break down a real-life generator failure on a drilling rig and show you exactly why we lost power and how to prevent it from happening again. Let's dive in. This failure occurred on a drilling rig operating 3 synchronized generators. Everything was running smoothly until, without warning, one generator failed, causing a domino effect, and the entire power system crashed. Possible causes of generator failure. Number 1, AVR, automatic voltage regulator, failure. Voltage instability caused by a malfunctioning AVR. Number 2, fuel supply issues. Blocked fuel lines or contaminated diesel leading to engine shutdown. Number 3, cooling system failure. Overheating due to clogged radiators or low coolant levels. Number 4, load imbalance. Unequal load distribution causing overload and generator tripping. Number 5, faulty synchronization. Poor generator paralleling leading to frequency and voltage mismatches. If you're working on an oil rig, power failures can be a nightmare. One wrong move, and the entire operation shuts down. That's why understanding rig electrical systems is not just important, it's critical for every engineer out there. Want to master rig electrical engineering? Get our ebook. We've put together an essential guide for beginner engineers and professionals, a beginner's guide to success as an electrical and instrument engineer on oil rigs. It's packed with real-world case studies, troubleshooting steps, and expert tips that can help you navigate these challenges with confidence. Want to master rig electrical engineering? Get our ebook. Download your copy now, link in the description. Rig Electro Pro, power up your rig engineering skills. Troubleshooting the failure. Now, let's step into the troubleshooting process. When power is lost, every second counts. Here's how the crew handled the failure step by step. Step 1, immediate safety measures. Number 1, verify the load transfer. Did the other generators pick up the load? Number 2, check for alarms on the generator control panels, any AVR faults, fuel pressure warnings, or overheating alerts. Number 3, inspect the fuel system. Is the fuel pump operational? Are the filters clogged? Step 2, identifying the root cause. Finding the failure point. 1. AVR failure, the voltage dropped below operating levels, triggering a shutdown. 2. Cooling system clogged, radiators were blocked, leading to overheating. 3. Solution, AVR replaced, cooling system flushed, and synchronization adjusted. How to prevent this in the future. So, how do we prevent this from happening again? Here are the key lessons every rig electrical engineer must remember. Preventive measures. Number 1, AVR inspections, routine checks on voltage regulators to prevent instability. Number 2, fuel system maintenance, regular fuel filtration and tank cleaning to avoid blockages. Number 3, cooling system checks, ensuring radiators and coolant levels are properly maintained. Number 4, load testing and synchronization drills, ensuring generators can handle dynamic loads. Number 5, emergency response drills, training the crew to react quickly in case of failures. A summary of a real-world generator failure on a drilling rig, as well as how to identify and repair it. There you have it, an inside look at a real generator failure on a drilling rig and how we diagnosed and fixed it. These failures can cost companies millions of dollars in downtime, but with the right preventive maintenance, they can be avoided. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to RIGPRO Academy, and share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever dealt with generator failures? Let's learn from each other. Power failures cost companies millions of dollars in downtime, but with the right knowledge, they can be prevented. If you're serious about mastering rig electrical systems, our ebook is a must-have. Number 1, real-world case studies. Number 2, troubleshooting checklists. Number 3, expert tips to level up your career. Want to dive deeper into rig electrical systems? Get your copy of our ebook, A Beginner's Guide to Success as an Electrical Engineer on Oil Rigs. Link in the description. Rig Electro Pro, power up your rig engineering skills. Subscribe for more real-world engineering cases. Stay tuned. In our next episode, we're diving into a critical topic: how to avoid deadly electrical hazards on the drilling rig. Your safety starts with the right knowledge.